Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today I will be showing my fidgets because I've got a lot more fidgets than last time. And trust me, it's a lot. And I got these nails on. They're just fake, so I just have them on temporarily. Okay. No big deal. But guys, so I'm going to be starting off with some small stuff, so I'm just going to move them up here because I'm just going to show you them one by one. And because I have 4 of this thing and they're different colors, I'm just going to show you every single one. So I have this green monkey noodle. Fun. And I have a blue monkey noodle. A yellow monkey noodle. And an orange monkey noodle. Got a marble mash. And up. Okay, and I have a simple dimple. And I have a puppet bracelet. And a squishy panda squishy donut. I have this bin here to put all my fidgets in, so I'm just going to put them on here. And you might be like, oh, that's not a lot. This is only for my small fidget, this bin. I don't have another bin though. I just have the big fidgets and my room. Okay, so those are the fidgets I've already shown you. I have this cake squishy. And oh, there's 2 more things I'm going to show you now. I have these 2 bouncy balls. They light. One of them lights up. See, one of them lights up. Anyways, that's cool. And I'm going to show you my mini puppets. Oh, yeah. I guess I can show this if you guys already saw it. I have this puppet puzzle, so you can take the pieces out and you can put them back in. So, yeah. This is the piece I just took out. This one. Alright, got that. And I got this purple puppet. This is one of my old fidgets. This is one of my first fidgets I've ever had. And it's still perfectly fine, and it's one of my favorites till this day. Okay, and that's that one. I have a lot of puppets. I have this puppet. Okay, oh. I have that puppet. And I have this one. And I have this one. I have a snapper. I didn't see this one, so I'm saving my new ones for last, and I'm to my new ones now. So I think I'm gonna do my oldest new one that I got 3 days ago. Well, a day, but my oldest one would be, anyways, my second oldest one. So I got this one 3 days before. Well, It would have been 4 days ago now. But it was 3 days ago when I got my newest one. So 3 days ago. This one. 3 days ago I got this one. And like 4 days ago I got this big monstrosity of a puppet. He's a jumbo puppet indeed. Oh, there's some missing. It's really good. So that's that. And so I have already showed you my souvenir. And this is what I'm most excited for. This is my newest one. I got it yesterday. A pop tube. It almost goes around my whole head. I think it does. Yeah, it does. Okay, anyways. I think this is the medium pop tube because my sister has this small pop tube. And this one's bigger. See, bigger. I don't know if these are the jumbo or the small ones. But anyways. It's only been 7 minutes, so I'm going to show you what else I got yesterday that my mom got me. I got a Dr. Pepper that my mom got me. By the way, I'm filming this 12 in the afternoon, so I just woke up and I'm not really in the mood to film a YouTube video right now, but I'm doing it because you guys need to see my face again. So I got this too. And I got those 2 things yesterday too. Oh, and these fake nails I got Grandpa's when I went. That's why I have them on right now because they're really cute. I took them off last night, and then this morning when I put them on, I think there's a sharp pain on my pinky. But anyways, I'm not really worried about that. It's happened before. Oh, anyways, bye guys. Bye guys, and bye. And don't forget to, well, first, don't forget to subscribe and like and turn on the post notification bell, like do all that stuff, whatever. And yeah, but first, oh my god, I forgot to show you guys this. I was like in my mind I was gonna show you guys this, like it's like someone saw this, like, oh my god.
This will be the craziest thing that you see today. Somebody captured this in the sky in another country. So what I need you to do in the comments is comment what you think this looks like. And if you believe that Jesus is coming soon, make sure you share this with a friend.
If you cannot see that, I just saw Jesus in the
This
sky.
will be the craziest thing that you see today. Somebody captured this
Yeah,
in the
there's
sky
literally
in another country.
Jesus in the sky.
So what I need you to do in the comments is comment.
You guys can't see it on camera. I'm so sorry. I thought you guys would be able to see it, but you can't. Oh well. And there was literally Jesus in the sky in a country. And I'm like, ah! Anyways, bye guys. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the post notification bells. Bye!